Hi guys, I'm here in Finland Forest. See, it's so peaceful here. I'm just alone now and I'm trying to go inside the forest. They said there's a bear here. I hope not. There's no bear. Okay, we'll go see what's in there. It's so peaceful here. Okay. Okay. See, there's no bear. If there's a bear, what I'm gonna do? Should I run? Or should I stay? Of course, if I'm gonna stay, surely I will get beaten by the bear, right? This place is really, really nice. You know what my feeling is right now? I just get the energy from the forest, from the trees. See? But I didn't find any person here. Let's invade the forest of Finland. What is that? What it says there? I don't understand. Oh, I saw people's running there. Oh, it's wet.